All right, welcome back everybody. Again, my name is Nick. This is Swiftful Thinking. I first want to thank all of you who have watched this playlist through. This was a lot. I didn't realize until I was actually editing all of these videos how long each one was. So if any of you guys have actually watched all of these videos through and have gotten to this one, leave a comment on this video because I really can't see that in the analytics. And that is probably like the best feeling for me when I know someone has actually completed a course. Completed being the key word here, because if you guys look in the Firebase console, there are a ton of features and products that I have not yet covered. However, this has been an extremely long playlist already. We covered all of the core features, and so I don't want to just go down a rabbit hole of like random Firebase features that most apps probably don't really need or use. So with that said, this is the last video in the playlist for now. And what I'm going to do is link in the caption below a Google form for a bunch of the other products in Firebase that I'm thinking about covering in the future. So I'm personally going to switch gears and start some other playlists next. I think it's important that we just move forward with kind of Swift UI and more advanced Swift stuff. But if you guys fill out that form, if I see any of those products are getting a lot of love, I will try to cover that soon and then append it to this playlist. So check out that form. There's a lot of cool stuff we have not covered yet. There's like machine learning, there's A/B testing, there's remote config. There's a lot of stuff like other authentication methods that we haven't covered. But I want to hear from you guys what you want to see next. And one of the questions in there is actually whether or not you think I should do more Firebase stuff or just start spending time elsewhere. So let me know, even if you don't want more Firebase content, fill that out so that I know whether or not to focus on this. That said, thank you guys again for watching. It has been an honor to take you through the Firebase Bootcamp playlist. Just like the other bootcamps on my channel, after I do a bootcamp, I try to do an app. And so you guys can expect a Firebase app in the near future. So that is it for me, guys. If you want to get more involved in the community, we do have a Discord, which I will also link below. It's also on the YouTube homepage, and it is also on the Swiftful Thinking website. So I kind of haven't really rolled this out yet. I'm probably going to change the entire UI of the website. But for those who are interested, www.swiftful-thinking.com is basically the new homepage for this channel. On there is just links to all of the YouTube courses, which you guys already know about, as well as links to join an email list, which I am not going to do in a weekly email, but from time to time, I'm going to try to send out maybe like a once every 4 months an email just with some information on maybe iOS in general, maybe some new playlists that are coming out. Sign up for that if you're interested. And there's also links to the Discord. The Discord community is growing. I love the conversations in there. We have, I think, about 1,000 members now, which is way larger than I had ever expected. It's awesome to see new devs coming in there, asking questions, and other devs answering those questions. So huge thank you to those of you who are in the Discord and are actually helping each other out. I think one of the fastest ways to learn is learning together. And oftentimes if we share code, if we ask each other about what are the problems we're having, we can pick each other's brains and find solutions, because at the end of the day, we're all basically doing the same thing. We're all trying to develop the best iOS apps possible. So check out the website, join the email list, join the Discord. It's all free, and I hope to see you guys there. Thank you for watching. As always, I'm Nick. This is Swiftful Thinking, and I'll see you in the next video.